World Turtle Day on May 23rd every year aims to draw people's attention to the plight of turtles and encourage the protection of these ancient creatures. Turtle conservation organizations are open to all those who care about turtles and make educational materials to help people understand these reptiles. Turtles are very important to the earth and help to maintain the ecological balance of nature. They lived in various environments and habitats all over the world, and they survived on the earth earlier than snakes, crocodiles, and alligators. World Turtle Day began in 2000 and was initiated by the American Turtle Rescue Organization, which was established in 1990. The organization established World Turtle Day to highlight the threats to the survival of turtles and promote global protection. Some major problems affecting turtles include poaching, illegal wildlife trade, and habitat destruction. The American Turtle Rescue Organization has provided homes for more than 4,000 turtles. The organization also assists local law enforcement agencies to protect the natural habitat of turtles and take care of them when they are sick. On World Turtle Day, we can contact an animal rescue organization to see what we can do in our area to help promote the protection of turtles. See what we can do to cooperate with local aquariums, pet shops, or nature conservation groups to pay attention to these reptiles living in our area. No matter where we are, we can donate money to the turtle cause online and even arrange our own charity and publicity activities to help support our favorite species. If we have our own turtle, we can thank it on this special day. We can buy some new stones for our turtle to put it in the tank where it lives, or do a deep cleaning for the tank where it lives to ensure that it lies in the most suitable environment for it. Keeping the beach clean is very important for protecting marine life and marine ecosystem. Keeping our local beach away from plastic bags or water bottles will keep the life of the surrounding marine and land animals happy. Turtles are magical creatures. Some species can make good pets, while others help to protect the ecosystems of the waters where they live. May 23rd is World Turtle Day. This is a picture we drew with an oil pastels for this special day. Happy World Turtle Day. Cheers!